Hey, hello everyone. So I don't really know what to talk about. I just had Batman open because I was going to read this thing about the Ayer cut for Suicide Squad. I don't know how y'all felt about Suicide Squad, but I thought the movie was pretty mid. But we can just look at it, Screen Rant, what they got to say about the Ayer cut. Let's see. So, is it going to get another chance like the Snyder cut with Justice League? Is it also going to be 4 hours long, or it's my turn. While a shortened version of this scene exists, this portion of the dialogue of other Snyder may have been Dick Grayson, not Jason Todd. That's pretty good. I didn't know that. I always thought it was Jason Todd who's supposed to be the crazy boy because he ends up dunked in the Lazarus pit. But who knows what's going on with DC? I'm more of a DC fan than a Marvel fan, but their movies are terrible. So I hope y'all have a good one. That's it for now.